Example number 5, we are asked to find the area bounded with the curve y squared is equal to 4x in the line 2x plus y is equal to 4. So, for our first equation, we have y squared is equal to 4x. Then, we have y is equal to the square root of 4x. So, with this, if we are going to plot this, titingnan natin. We have the 4x. Tapos we have the y, which is the square root of 4x. So, that would be 0, this would be 0, at x is equal to 0. Positive to the right, of course, and negative to the left. Tama ba? Kasi, if we are going to multiply a positive number, then our answer is positive. And if we are going to multiply this with a negative number, so our answer would be negative. And since our y is the square root of our answer here, that would be square root of negative, so that would be undefined. And this would be 0, this is plus and minus. So with this, we can see na siya ay parabola facing to the right. No? Kasi kung titingnan natin, we have 0, 0 here, tapos plus and minus siya sa kanan, wala siyang graph sa kaliwa. So, ibig sabihin, yung parabola natin is directed towards, to the right. Kasi wala siyang value sa left, tapos dalawa yung value niya sa right, yung positive at saka yung negative. So, how about our line 2x plus y is equal to 4? So, we just have here y is equal to, rewrite lang natin, that is negative 2x plus 4. Now, since this is y is equal to mx plus b, our negative 2 here is our slope. So, since our slope is negative, we know that our line is inclined to the left. And our b here is 4, meaning dadaan siya sa 0, 4. Kasi siya ay yung 4, yung ating y-intercept according to the equation of the line na y is equal to mx plus b. So, ano ibig sabihin ng negative 2? Ang ibig sabihin ng negative 2 is rise over run. Since our m is equal to negative 2, so we have rise of 2 and a run of 1. No? Kasi that's over 1. Yung negative lang naman indicates na yung line natin ay nakatumba ganito. Kasi kung positive yung slope natin, yung line natin nakatumba sa kanan. Okay? So, 2 at saka 1. Ibig sabihin, bababa tayo ng 2, tapos tatakbo tayo ng 1. No? Yan. So, dadaan siya dyan. Tapos, galing dito, bababa ulit tayo ng 2, tatakbo tayo ng 1. So, yun yung slope natin. And kung titingnan natin, hindi sila nagkalinya kasi hindi naman pareho yung sukat yung ginawa ko. No? Grabe sa conclusion. So, galing dito, yan, dadaan siya dyan, dadaan siya dito. Ginawa naman ng paraan. Ayan. Tuloy-tuloy siya hanggang doon. Basta yan na yan. No? So, this line here is y is equal to negative 2x plus 4. While this curve here is y is equal to the square root of 4x. Okay? So, since we are asked to find the area bounded by the line and the curve, so meaning, we are asked to compute for this area. Ayan, yung mga area natin. Itong area na to, na pinupulayan ko, yun yung kinukompute natin. Ngayon, titingnan natin, kung tayo ay gagamit ng vertical strip, tingnan natin ha. Pag ito yung vertical strip natin, ay very good pa yan. Bakit? Kasi yung up natin is the line, yung low natin is the curve. Kaso, true lang yan hanggang dito. No? Hanggang dito lang siya true. Kasi, pag dating doon, sa unahan, yung curve na lang yung tatamaan ng taas at baba. So, wala ka na makukompute doon. So, meaning, hindi tayo pwedeng gumamit ng vertical strip. Sir, bakit pinapakita mo pa yun? Oo, ganun ako yun. Pinapakita ko yung mali. Pinapakita ko yung possible na wrong move para at least next time recognize mo na siya. So, bago tayo pupunta sa daang matuwid siya. Okay, so we have, ayan na, horizontal straight. Kung horizontal straight, lahat ng right natin ay yung line. Lahat ng left natin ay yung curve. No? So, horizontal straight, yung tama. This is dy, tapos ito yung x natin. Okay? So, our area is equal to the integral of x dy. Since tayo ay naka-y, no, dy, ibig sabihin, y1 to y2 yung limit natin kasi tayo ay naka-differential in y. Tapos yung x natin ay x right minus x left. Ayan, kasi horizontal yung ating straight. Tapos this is dy. Kaso, we have this problem. Kasi we have here the x sub 1, y sub 1, and we have here the x sub 2, y sub 2 as the point of intersection. So the first thing that we are going to do here, wait, I have to change this kasi kung titingnan natin, ito yung portion na to, ay yung y up natin at ito yung y low na nasa baba. So, ito ngayon yung ating x sub 2 at saka y sub 2. Tapos ito, yung x sub 1 natin at ito yung y sub 1 para magtugma siya, no? Para magtugma siya, yung y1 natin nasa ilalim at yung y2 natin yung nasa taas. Okay? So, with this, kailangan natin i-compute yung point of intersection para malaman natin ano ba yung value ng x sub 1, y sub 1 at saka yung x sub 2, y sub 2. Okay? So, from our equation, we know that our line is equal to negative 2x plus 4. That is our equation 1. And our equation 2 here is y is equal to the square root of 4x. That's our equation 2. So, we are just going to substitute the equation 1 to our equation 2. Then we have here negative 2x plus 4 is equal to 4x. Okay. So, square root of 4x. So with this, square ko lang yung kabilang side, diba? And that is equal to, in-square lang natin both sides. Tapos dito, we are going to expand. So that would be 4x squared. Tapos that would be negative 2 times 8, and times 4 is negative 8 times 2, that's negative 16. Tapos, we have here 4 times 4, so that's positive 16. No? And this is 4x. Kung pagsamahin natin, that would be 4x minus 16 minus 4, so that is minus 20 plus 16 is equal to 0. Now, everything is divisible by 4, so divide everything by 4. And we have here x squared minus 5x plus 4 is equal to 0. Now, we are going to find a number that if we are going to multiply, no, that would be 4. Pag pinag-add naman natin, that would be negative 5, no? So, kung si negative 1 at saka si negative 4, pag pinag-multiply natin yun, positive 4 yan. Pag pinag-add natin sila, negative 5. So, therefore, ito yung mga factors natin. So, we have here x plus 1, minus 1. X, so, mouse pointer natin. X minus 1 at saka x minus 4 is equal to 0. So, therefore, that is x is equal to 1, dinaretso ko na, and x is equal to 4. So, ibig sabihin, yung isa ay 1, ay isa yung 4. So, kung titingnan natin dito, sino ba yung mas malayo? O sino yung mas malapit? Ito siya, mas malapit sa 0. So, therefore, siya yung 1. No? Siya yung x is equal to 1. 1, y2. Tapos, yung isa ay 4. No? This is 4, y1. So, alamin natin yung value ng y2 at saka ng y1 by substituting to the equation. So, you can make use either of the two equation. Pareho lang naman yung sagot na lalabas. So, dito na lang tayo siguro. So, we have, or dun sa line. So, pares lang naman yun. So, we have here, if x is equal to 1, so our y is equal to what? Square root of 4 times 1. So, y is equal to 2. So, we can say that this is 1 comma 2, no? So this is 1 comma 2. Lipat ko na lang dito ba sa kabila. So this point here is 1 comma 2. And if our x is equal to 4 naman, so y is equal to the square root of 4 times 4, that's 16, so y is equal to 4. So meaning, that is 4 comma, kasi meron tayo ditong plus and minus. Dito ay plus and minus. So kung titingnan natin, this part here is above, no? Above the x-axis. Kaya yung kinuha natin doon is the positive. While ito, alam naman natin na siya ay nasa baba. So ang kukunin natin doon, yung negative 4, hindi yung positive 4. So this is 4 comma negative 4. Okay? So, ngayon, from this, makikita natin na yung lower limit natin na y1, that is negative 4. Yung upper limit natin, y2, that is positive 2. Okay? So, tuloy natin. Kung titingin tayo sa handout, wala tayong makukuhang ganung idea, no? Basta lang, naging ganun na lang siya. Kasi hindi naman nagsasalita yung handouts natin. So, with this, we have our area is equal to the integral. The lower limit is negative 4 and the upper limit is positive 3. So, x to the right. Sino yung x to the right natin? Ito yung yung x to the right natin, ito yung, yung equation natin ng line. Pero, since x yung hinahanap natin dito, dapat naka-express sa x dapat naka-express rather sa y yung equation natin. So, if we have 2x plus y is equal to 4, since this is our x right, no? So, magkakaroon tayo ng 2x right is equal to negative y plus 4. So, we have here x to the right is equal to negative y plus 4 over 2. Or pwede naman nating sabihin na yung x right natin ay 4 minus y over 2. Okay? So, ito yung x right natin. And our x to the left, ito yon yung isang equation. Y squared is equal to 4x to the left. So, our x to the left is equal to y squared over 4. No? So, ito naman yung ating x to the left. So, kung ilalagay na natin doon sa equation natin, x to the right, so that is 4 minus y over 2 minus yung x to the left natin is y squared over 4. No? And this is dy. So, evaluating our integral for this, we have area is equal to, we can divide the 4 and the 2, so that would be 2, tapos integrate natin yun, so that would be y. And then here, we have negative y over 2, so that would be y squared over 2, so that would be negative y squared over 4. And then here, that would be y raised to 3, tapos magka-times 3 tayo sa baba. So, minus y cubed over 12. No? Limit natin from negative 4 up to positive 2. So, applying the idea of our limits, we have here 2 times 2 minus, for the upper limit to 2 squared over 4 minus 2 cubed over 12 minus our lower limit, we have 2 times negative 4 minus negative 4 squared over 4 minus negative 4 cubed over 12. Now, so evaluating our upper and lower limit using our calculator, then we just have to type in our equation 2y minus y squared over 4 minus y cubed over 12. And if we are going to evaluate our upper limit, calc 2, because our upper limit is 2, that's 7 over 3. So this is 7 over 3 minus our lower limit, calc negative 4, and that is negative 20 over 3. So we have negative 20 over 3. Our area is equal to 7 minus 20, that's 7 plus 20, that is 27 over 3, and the 27 over 3 is 9, no? That is 9 square units. So our answer here is equal to 9 square units.